Welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing LED headlights in the Rustic Fox. Auxito sent me some headlights that I'm going to install and do a comparison. These are headlights obviously for the Fox body Mustang, but let me tell you, Auxito makes good quality headlights. That I'm 100% sure of. There will be a link to these in the description if you actually want to order these. So stay tuned, here we go. Well, it's LED light time for the Fox body Mustangs, and here I have a standard LED light, which you would normally buy. Pretty cool, right? So we're gonna open up this box here from Auxito. They sent me some headlights, so I wanted to do a comparison as well. And I'm doing this while having my favorite adult beverage, repping Kentucky Fox body. Shout out to you, Big Rick, big brother, appreciate you. So let's get this open. Check out the boxing. Oh, look at that. Now mind you, I have not previously opened this. So we're opening this together. But look, gloves, instruction manual, and you have your headlights. Well, let's put the glove on, pull this out. I imagine they don't want you to touch the light, so to speak. So there it is right here. And let's do the comparison here. So here we go. We have this light here from Auxito. And we have this light here, which is just a standard LED light that you would buy. So right away, what stands out to me is that this is a one-piece light that you would just put into your headlight housing and then plug in your cable, right? Notice this has more than one operating piece, right? So here you have the plug that your headlight plug would plug into here. So you have this extra wire. Whereas on this one, it's all connected here. Due to the heat of the LEDs, right, it requires some type of heat sink or fan. And so notice that this is on the back here, whereas this one, the Auxito headlight, is actually part of the actual headlight itself. It's pretty cool how this is designed. Not a lot of moving parts to break it down. I like that a lot. See the difference? See how the fan is here and the fan is here on this one? Because this plugs in, this has to have an extra space, whereas this one does not. Sometimes the headlight retention ring, right, that holds it in place, sometimes with these LED lights, this would have to be removed. So you'd pop this off, and then this would go into the headlight housing, this part, and then the retention ring would have to go over this, to where this would sit on the back side of the retention ring. So it's a little more complicated to install. It's kind of a pain. But with this, from Auxito, it installs like a regular headlight. I think that's awesome. So I'm gonna go install these and get them in. There's plenty of other videos out there that are short that show you how to take your headlights out, the bulb out, and change it in your Fox body. So we're gonna skip that part and get right to the comparison. Let's go. Standard headlight, Auxito's LED. What a difference, huh? Well, I shouldn't have to tell you. I'm sure you can see it, but standard headlight, Auxito LED headlight. Look at the difference, LED and the standard headlight.
Oh yeah, that's a big difference.
Dude, it's like night and day, seriously. What a difference. Isn't that crazy, man? Well, as you could tell, the difference was like night and day, seriously. Between that and stock headlights, night and day. Also, I like the design of the headlights, how it's like one piece. And it installs like a regular headlight. So the ease of installation gets 5 stars from me. The brightness, once again, 5 stars. I would recommend these headlights to anyone, to be honest with you. I'm gonna be putting them in the Black Widow and in the Rustic Fox, as you know. So I would use them, so I'd recommend them to anyone else as well. The link will be down in the description, so I hope you get them. At any rate, you guys take care. Please, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.